Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about TIFF images, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you resize a TIFF image using just your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to resize a TIFF image on your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes people send you TIFF images and it needs to be resized. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in your Mac. You don't have to download anything or pay for a service. It's all included already on your Mac. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in and pulled up a TIFF image on my Mac computer. You can see this one right here. So if we scroll over a little bit, we're going to see it's a TIFF image. Now, in order to resize this, all you're going to do is open it up, or you can right click on it and click open with preview. Okay, so here is our TIFF image. Now, if you want to resize it, you're going to click up here on tools. Once you do that, you're going to click on adjust size. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and adjust this. So you can see that this one is 1440 by 1920. So we can do this custom, and let's go ahead and drop it down to maybe 1280 by 1280. Okay, you can see that it decreased the size right here just with that small adjustment. And then you want to go ahead and click on OK. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we've resized this TIFF image using just our Mac. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to resize your TIFF image using just your Mac, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.